I'm Soumitra here from Mineral Water Project Information. As you know, Mineral Water Project Information is a channel which gives information to upcoming entrepreneurs in the packaged drinking water or water business. So you can say that. So one typical question we get always is what is a quotation of the plant, So always 5 out of 10 questions is quotation chahiye, ya we want quotation for the mineral water plant. So we have found out that to know the quotation, first you need to know the size of the machines, what the quotation is for. So just defining that I want a mineral water plant and give me quotation is not going to get you the quotation. So quotations you need basically 2 or 3 things. First of all, you should be ready with your machinery list. So machinery list, where can you have? So from the suppliers you can have the machinery list. Even we can also give you, because we are consultants, but still we can give you an outline figure at how much you are going to need and all that. But for that we need basically the machinery details from you, like at least the how many bottles you are decided, or whether you are decided for bottles and jars combined, or which kind of bottles. That is what we call it as a product mix. So you should be at least ready with the product mix and the capacity, how much. For example, if you decide to go for a 500 liters 500 ml bottles, how much you are going to produce for that. So you will be needing that, so specify that. Okay, and you will also need some resources to be ready for that, but basic input is the capacity which you are going for. So this capacity ultimately depends upon the production you are decided for. So this production depends upon your little market survey and some little techniques. So if you are very clear with how much you are going to give it, just submit it to us. We will tell you how much will be the costing for the total plant. Okay, and if you are not very clear, still you are finding out certain answers to certain questions. So there are some other videos where we are already explained that, or straight away you can attend a training which you have created. One is the home study course, so you can start from day 1 today. So another video you can get the benefits and what is a home study course and all that. And you can also attend the online trainings which we conduct. So that also is the best way. Online trainings is a very good way because you can attend from the place wherever you are. You need not come all the way to Pune at our place. And nowadays we have started taking online only. So you can do that. And if you are sure about what you are going to do, I would still say that you go for a better option, that is a support consultancy. So these things will make you clear about the whole thing. And again, if you are very clear that you are going for the plant and all that, so also check our other consultancies like vending consultancy and turnkey project consultancy. So to get a quotation, first learn to specify the machines, then you can get the quotation. So stay tuned. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe to our channel and do press the bell icon not to miss a single update from our channel. Thank you so much.